Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to continue our work. We want to define load combinations. First of all, let's go through our presentation. We have finishing from modeling our project. We can show here the step that we have do it. Define material, draw columns, draw rafter, draw truss, support, rails, secondary beams, wind column, bracing and cladding. And we have defined the load types, wind load, snow load, self weight and superimpose that load. Now we want to define the load combination, and after we want to do the calculation and applying load. Then the last step, analysis and design of the structural member of our structure. Now we can show here the force acting on a structure are called load, dead load, walls, floor, roof, plumbing. Live load can humans, furniture, equipment. Define of static load, applying dynamic special categories of live load, snow in our case, and wind. We have here from the special snow and wind. We didn't have cars, and we here the design philosophy. You can read it, and also here. Now we want to go to here, load combinations. Okay, now to define the load combination, we go to the robot, we go to robot manual combination. We can let the robot define the combination automatic. We can press here and press here for automatic combination or simplified automatic combination. We can press here and press OK. Then the robot define the load combination. But we want to define the combination manually. So we press here. Let's first of all show. Okay. Let's define the combination manually. We press here and we go to the first combination 1. We press OK. Now we want here to add a new combination. We want the first combination is 1.4 dead load. So robot (1.4) dead load. Okay, so we put them, we press apply. Now new. Okay, now we want 1.2 dead load plus 1.6 live load. Here we didn't have live load. You can use live load if we want to add an industrial load, like for example an industrial work on the truss, for example, or on the rails. It's related to the specific condition of your industry structure. So we want to put here 1.2 dead load plus 0.5 LR or S or R. LR roof live load, R rain load, S is the snow load. In our case we have a snow load. So we want to put 1.2 dead load plus 0.5 snow load. So we go to robot 1.2 here, here 1.2, here we have 0.5. We press apply. Now we go new. We have combination 3 and we want 1.2 dead load plus wind plus 0.5 snow load. So wind and direction x here plus 0.5. we press apply and we put the same combination but for wind direction y. Press apply. Now combination 10, we have 1.2 dead load plus 0.2 snow load. Press apply. Now we have combination last combination 0.2 dead load plus or minus wind load. So now we have finishing from defining the load combinations. We can show here if we want to the service combination, and we will continue after and with the analysis and design. And the next lecture we want to applying the loads on our structure. Thank you for listening. We will continue on the next lecture.